An update tonight into the investigation of a Round Rock City employee. Police say they caught him on tape stealing from a business in a city uniform. And now KXAN investigator Robert Maxwell has learned that when the city hired the worker back in 2012, it had no formal hiring policy in place. And Robert, could such a policy have weeded him out?
Well, city staff don't want to speculate on that tonight, Robert, but I can tell you the city of Round Rock has long been doing criminal background checks on all potential hires. But I've learned a broader city employee policy was not in place until 3 months after this man, Justin Schuylander, started working in the city's utilities department. Coincidence, yes. But the policy is more thorough. It includes questions including if the job involves the employee going into private properties, and that was not the case here, the nature of any past criminal offenses, the age of the applicant at the time of the offense or criminal activity, and if the applicant has stayed out of trouble. In light of this employee's arrest, is the city of Round Rock planning to review all of its employees' criminal backgrounds?
That's something we may talk about, but the policy that's in place now applies to all employees. It's not a pre-employment policy.
Now, surveillance video shows a man police say is Schuylander back up his truck to the propane storage outside of Walgreens and load up. His new felony theft charges are the most serious he has faced to date. Records show in 2009, Schuylander was convicted of misdemeanor DWI. Now, on his job application in 2012, he was asked if he'd ever been convicted of that offense. He answered yes, truthfully. His personnel file shows his supervisors gave him positive reviews, one writing in 2014, he never argues and gets the job completed. Now, remember, Schuylander is charged with theft involving propane tanks. We noticed on his job application, prior to starting with the city of Round Rock, he worked as a propane delivery driver. He left that job, he wrote at the time, for a better opportunity. Robert.
Thanks, Robert. Schuylander is still in the county jail tonight, being held on a $25,000 bond.